Amanda, and I'm at Seguin Gardens and Gifts in Cicero, and we're gonna make this basket right now. Now, sometimes people would look at a planner like this and not know even where to go with it, but we're just gonna use a little bit of burlap, and I cut it to fit, but it's still, it seems kind of like it's a little, you know, difficult to fill. So what we're gonna do is use this pot filled with soil to kind of hold one side while I start to fill the other so it doesn't slip down. Right in there. And I can hold this open and dump the other one in right there. And now that it's held, I can add as much as I need to. And I can trim it anywhere that needs to be trimmed. I like a little bit of it hanging over the edge though. So there we go. And then we're gonna plant this planter up for a partly sunny or slightly shady patio. This is a grass called Acorus ogon, and this is a perennial grass. So you can use it in a planter or you can plant it in your backyard. So it makes it a great value for a perennial. We're gonna use 3 of these bad boys. Always teasing the roots to make sure that they're nice and loose. That really makes sure that they're going to grow very well. So I just set them in there. Next is going to be this Coleus Premium Sun Pineapple. I like the name. I also like how they look. Again, ripping the bottom off so that the roots never become entangled. Setting that in there. Right there. Time for some color. Begonia, Rise Up Hot and Spicy. I think that's a Hamilton reference. Bottoms off, plant in. Now to fill in, this Lismachia aurea or Creeping Golden Jenny, or Golden Creeping Jenny. Either way, we know what you mean. Then in there, Irisine purple. Same on the other side. Then all I have to do is fill in with a little bit of soil. Set it out in the patio. Thanks.